All right, this is a demo / log video for this project I just finished up. This is probably just a video for myself to remember how it runs. But this should be deployed at sim-alex.com. I did buy a domain name. It was like $8 for the year, super worth it. We'll see, if this stays up. But so yeah, how does it work? Simulation, because I want to simulate any kind of story the user wants to make. So you can say anything. Let's see, I have a little alert actually. Kind of tells you what you can do. Oh yeah, some examples. Small creatures walking through the moist, the moist dark forest. It's an interesting first example. But yeah, anything like that, or you can be the character. So we'll say the purple frog jumps to the moon, and then this will take your story that you just started, and it will go to the back end, which will send to a generative AI to continue your story and give you a response to that story. So sometimes the response will make up a problem or just continue your story in a random way, and then you're able to respond to that to make up the next part of the story. And you can kind of just do like a choose your own adventure, decide how this whole story goes. So let's see what it gave us. The purple frog springs skyward towards the moon. Mid-arc, a drift of glittering space junk slides across its path. See, so that's a cool image, but it'll make up problems. Sometimes the story doesn't go as you say, and then you have to respond to that. So, I don't even know what this frog would do at this point, but let's say the frog pulls out a jetpack to propel back to Earth. Some grammar errors there, and then it'll give you another image to go with what's going on, and some more text explaining any other steps, any other problems that happen. But yeah, just kind of a quick demo. The goals for this were to become familiar with AWS deployment, which I have on an EC2 instance here, working with Docker containerization, which is how it was deployed. And then I have the whole web app backend with FastAPI. Front end is actually just static files, and then Nginx serving the backend front end. My GitHub, this will be on my GitHub to look into that more, but yeah. So look at that, he pulls out his jetpack, makes it to the moon safely, and then who knows, whatever you want to happen next, he could blow up the moon, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks.